White beans with meat and tomato sauce. Soak overnight 1½ cup white beans with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The next day, choose ½ kilo of the meat of your desire. Wash them clean and cut in this manner. Let's drain the white beans. Put a pressure cooker on a medium-high heat. Add any oil, some salt, some pepper, a small stick of cinnamon, and then add your meat. And now we're gonna brown the meat. You can also use meat with bones for this recipe. After the meat is browned, now we take our white beans and pour them on top of the meat. Let's add around 5 cups of water or until the water reaches the top of the white beans. Let's add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a dash of nutmeg, and a whole head of garlic washed. Bring to boil and close the lid tightly. Please follow the instruction of your pressure cooker. As it heats, the red button is gonna pop up. It means there is a lot of steam in it. We need 30 minutes after that to stay on the stove. After 30 minutes, take it out of the stove, put it in the sink, and put some cold water around it. Notice that the red button deflated immediately, indicating it's safe now to open it. Open it with caution, from the other side, not facing the side of your face. Try to follow what you see. It's ready to go back on the stove and boil for another 15 minutes. This process makes the sauce richer and thicker. And now it's ready to go on the table. Serve with rice and lemons.